Nobody is thinking about you as much as you think. And that's exactly why you're free to win. Nobody cares. You're scared to start, scared to post, scared to fail, scared of what people will think. You replay scenarios in your head, imagining judgment, criticism, embarrassment. But here's the truth. The truth. Nobody cares. Not the way you think they do. Everyone is too busy thinking about their own problems, their own lives, their own insecurities. They're worried about how they look, how they sound, how they are being judged. That embarrassment you're afraid of, it's in your head. That judgment you fear, temporary. Most people will forget in minutes. Even if they notice, they move on. Why this is your advantage? 1. You can start without pressure. No one is watching that closely. So start messy, start small. Post it anyway, try it anyway. 2. You can fail without consequences. Failure feels big, but it's invisible to most people. Use that. Fail fast, learn faster. 3. You can reinvent yourself. The past version of you? People aren't holding on to it like you think. You can change anytime. You can become better without asking permission. 4. You can move in silence. While others are seeking attention, you're building, quietly improving, stacking wins no one sees. That's power. The moment you realize nobody cares is the moment you stop holding yourself back. You stop overthinking every move. You stop waiting for approval. You stop shrinking yourself to fit expectations, and you start becoming who you were supposed to be. If this freed your mind, like the video, comment free if you're done overthinking. Subscribe, because confidence starts here.